Zuveria, you have to work on your spellings, okay? Science paper, there are a lot of spelling mistakes, so you have to work on your spelling.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll pay for your tape for you. I'll bundle into Dudu for your papa. Carry out your multiplication properly. You have to just ignore the points when you multiply, but in the final answer, you just have to make sure that you put your decimal point properly. You know, these are small, little, silly mistakes what you'll do, for which you'll lose marks. No matter if you have remainder, okay? Do not continue after the remainder till the remainder part only you all can complete your division. Do not proceed after that.
Ma'am, the second one 56.7 into 4.2. The answer is 11.34, ma'am.
I'll just check. Even I'll do. Till that time you start the third one, I'll just do. What is your first answer?
No, ma'am, the second one answer.
87.60.
Okay. 87.
I also got 87.60. Yes, it is that.
Yes, correct. Okay.
Ma'am, the second one is correct. 11.34.
No, Hamdan, do it again.
Then you didn't add it.
Oh.
Ma'am, the second answer is 238.14.
Correct. Good, Aisha. Zaveria, what happened?
Ma'am, I can't understand the division a bit.
1 minute. Now you can do it.
Yes.
Come on.
Ma'am, the third answer is 1.6936. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Bob, change the Baby, come.
Ma'am, I got it. The answer.
Can you please erase?
Yes, yeah, yeah.
Okay, somebody is doing good. Do. I will just. It's okay. If you can please erase this above one, can you please erase it? What I have written.
Ma'am, I can't erase what you have written. If I do clear others' drawings, then this question will also be erased.
Y'all just carry out the sums. Give me 2 minutes. I'm coming.
Ma'am, the third answer is the remainder is 4. The remainder is 4, and the quotient is 1.37.
Correct. Today, do you all have any other
Ma'am.
class after my class now?
We have German. We have German.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, should I erase this sum and then do the other sum?
Yes, no problem.
Ma'am, I also
So
got
you
it
are
correct.
familiar with division and multiplication also, right? So next week I will start with the word problems, and then the
Ma'am, we have already started with word problems now.
yes. So I will give you few more word problems on division, on multiplication. Practice will make you more thorough with your concept. And the other thing, the following week I will ask sir that now can we only practice fractions and decimals for your final exam, because I'm not sure to start about a new topic, because y'all have not fared well in your maths paper. So I really want you all to do well in your maths paper. So if you all need any practice, we will practice for the next couple of weeks. I don't mind. Because first week of April, you will be starting with your final exams. You know that, right? Which one you all are doing?
I'm doing the fourth one. I'm doing the fourth.
Okay.
I'm on the second last.
The lady is in the second one.
She said second last. Second last.
Okay, that is the fourth one, right?
Yeah.
Chino enna pandre?
Ma'am, the answer is 135.82 for the fourth. Ma'am, the answer for the fourth one is 135.82. Ma'am, she did 4 7 21.
What happened?
Ma'am, it should be 135.82. Ma'am, for the
Yes.
fourth one, I got 1.37.
No, no,
Ma'am,
5.8.
No, ma'am, it should be, ma'am, it should be 135.82. 135.82.
Aisha,
Ma'am, that's
ma'am,
ma'am, that is wrong, ma'am. You put it wrong. Ma'am, I was telling for the third one. Third one is 1.37. Ma'am,
yes, tell me.
the answer is 135.82.
Yes,
It is?
correct. I told you, no.
And my third one is correct, 1.37. Yes, it is correct. It is 1.936.
Third one is the division one, no? 9.63 divided by 7.
Julia, your answer is correct. Ma'am, what is the answer for the third one? 1.37.
9.63 divided by 7, no? You're asking.
Yes, ma'am. 7. The answer for the third one is 1.37.
Right. Aisha had already done that also on the screen. Now I put a point here and I bring this 6 down. What I get here? Hello. आला है? अच्छा ठीक है चल. Okay, now I get 5 as a remainder. And I bring that 3 down. And what will I get? 7 sevens are 49. What is my remainder now?
Yes, ma'am, I got the correct.
Your remainder is 4. I told you can do only up till remainder. Do not proceed
Ma'am,
after
I
that.
don't know where they have this number. Ma'am, it is A2.
What happened, Aisha?
No, I thought you were not adding the 2.
Anybody who has completed the last one? Hamdan,
Yes, ma'am, I've completed the last one.
what is your answer?
3.12808.
Superb. Very good.
Ma'am, the first one is 135.82.
Why you already filling your paper?
Ma'am, is the fourth one 135.82?
Yes. Yes.
Daddy, சின்ன தொப்பி இருக்கா யாசர் டியூஷன்ல போட்டு வச்சுமா சின்ன தொப்பி யாசர் படுதா பாருங்க Ma'am, the fifth one is a bit confusing.
The last one,
Yeah.
you just have to carry out normal multiplication. And then you have to count the number of decimal.
Oh, I thought it was division. Sorry.
No, it is not division. It's multiplication. Okay, you all have copied all the sums now. You all have copied all the sums, no, Umaira?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just stop share. I want to share something else. Give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, wait, I did not.
What happened, Aisha? Okay, give me 1 minute. I'll just leave and join, okay? Do not go anywhere.
Aisha, class is ending. Ma'am, when? I don't know. Ma'am left the meeting. I can't hear you. Ma'am, you are on mute.
Okay. You all know, many of you all, what you all have done with the third one. Now, what do you mean by reciprocal? Tell me.
The opposite of something. So I wrote 25 upon 5.
Yes, that is right. But many of you all, what you all have done, you all know that you all have done 5 into 12, 60, and 25 into 12. I don't know what you have. Somebody have got answer like 60 upon 100. I don't want to name anybody now. Then what will come here? Dash number plus fraction is equal to mixed fraction. Many of you all have written your answer only as mixed. When the final
Whole number plus fraction is equals to mixed fraction.
Aisha Kazi, what is the LCM of 5 and 6?
I have to do it. Oh, no.
Nobody has done this one. Nobody. I
I'll
think
check,
one.
check in my book.
Any which way, I'm not going to accept any papers after I discuss the maths paper. Come on, take the LCM of 5 and 6 and tell me what is the LCM.
LCM of 5 and 6. I think I missed that.
Why?
I forgot to do it. And the LCM of 5 and 6 is 5 and 6.
It was such a easy, you all could have easily scored 5 marks here, yes. Many of you all have lost marks here. You all know that, especially the last 3 ones. The reciprocal of 5 upon 25 is just 25 upon 5. Whole number plus fraction is known as mixed fraction. And LCM of 5 and 6 here. Tell me the LCM, come on. Zaveria, what is the LCM of 5 and 6?
5 and 6.
5 and 6 only.
Ma'am, I got 5 and 6 only. I did not multiply it, but.
Okay.
So I
Then
multiplied
here
it.
you all have to only find the equivalent fraction. Many of you all, what mistake you all have done, you all know? You all have only done the first or the second one or any two. You all didn't solve all the 4. I don't know why. So you all have lost marks here. I will discuss the whole paper with you all on Tuesday. Then here you all had to do any one which was very simple. Yes? Was it simple or no? Then here you all just had to convert this into improper fraction, and this you all had to convert into.
Ma'am, I did not understand the B1.
This one.
Simplest, yeah.
Who didn't understand?
Hi,
Okay, who is that? Can I know your name, please?
Aisha Khazi.
I really don't know who's talking. Can you please tell me? Is it you, Aisha Kazi?
Yes.
Okay, so tell no, it's me, ma'am. You have to reduce in its simplest form, no, Aisha. What you have to do? You can cancel 1 0 from the numerator and 1 from the denominator. So what you get is 160 upon 25, right? Now you have to make sure that both of them get cancelled in one table. And then finally, when you get the answer which cannot be divisible by one number, that is your simplest form. I will solve the paper on Tuesday. Don't worry.
But ma'am, you did not teach us the taking out the zeros of both the numbers.
Okay, if you have zeros also, you can do it. If you have zeros also, you can do it. I will do it for you right away. Give me one. Here it was so simple. You all have done multiplication. You all have done addition. You all have done subtraction. Then too, you all have made
Can you tell my connection went?
so many mistakes you all have done here. You all know that It was such
Ma'am.
a paper. Yes, Umar.
Ma'am, my connection went
I'm just
after
discussing
you.
the paper, Umar.
After
That's
before, ma'am, you told no. You are going to show this PPT. It went.
yes. This is your maths paper. You remember?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
just discussing that. Now, you're already it is given that you have a group of children who are sharing 12 pizzas equally among them. What do you mean by sharing? If I have one pizza and if I'm sharing it with you all have five of them. That means I'm dividing that pizza into certain number of parts. Yes or no? So I know that I will do division here. Everybody, I think so just one or two of them have done properly. Otherwise, rest everybody has done multiplication. I don't know why. Are we increasing the number of pizzas? No. I have I have ordered 12 pizzas and I have to share that. Suppose I order one biscuit packet and I want to share it with everybody of y'all. Zoveria, Aisha Kazi, Hamza, Hamdan, Umar, Aisha Aga. We are six of them, right? So will I multiply the number of biscuits or the number of biscuits will reduce in my packet?
Ma'am, you can do half.
I did correct in the word problems.
Sorry,
I did correct in the word problems.
I will discuss everything on Tuesday. Why am I telling you all this today is for you all to understand what you all have done in your paper. Okay. Now 1 minute. I'll just show Aisha Kazi 1600 upon 250, right? Hold on. This was one of the simplest thing what you could do. This is 1600 upon 250, right? You say you don't know that I didn't teach you all about the zero, right? I'll show it to you. Because I have zero here also and here, so it is divisible by 2. I know that 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, carry 1 here 5, and 2 fives are becomes 10. 2 eights are is 16, 0, 0. Correct? Next.
Ma'am, it again.
Yes. What happened?
Ma'am, again my internet went.
No problem, Umar. I'm just trying to do this sum. Now, what I can do here is, I'll try to do it by 5. 5 twos gives me 10. Carry over this 2 here, this becomes 25. And 5 fives is 25. 5 ones are 5. I carry over 3 here. 5 6 are 30. And here I get 0 again. Hello, don't touch my laptop. Again 5 fives are 25. 5 threes are 15. 1 16. And 5 twos are 10. Now is 32 and 5 divisible by any one number? No.
No.
So this is my simplest form. Understood, Aisha? Both the numbers, the denominator and the numerator has to be divisible by one number only. Okay. Now I don't want to waste your more time. I will discuss this detail on Tuesday. You'll have another class. So we end up here. Okay. Bye everybody.
Bye, ma'am.